Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about key performance indicators of performance appraisals. Previously I have discussed the key components of performance appraisals, and we have also discussed the basics of performance appraisals, why we need to conduct it. So you can view my previous videos before starting this video if you haven't viewed them. So very first of all, we will start from the key performance indicators of performance appraisals, why we need these performance appraisals. So very basic thing first, this is the number one thing we are going to work on, which is the employee productivity. So to increase the employee productivity, we need these performance appraisals to be performed on quarterly basis, on yearly basis, or on biannually basis. So key performance indicators for measuring the performance of employee is very first one, the average sales turnover of the employees. Like in marketing jobs, you will have a target of selling like 5,000 products over a year. So they will see that what is the average of this sale among the different sales employees. Then what is the average profit per employee. So because they are hiring you, they are paying you, and they are like have to make some office expenses and everything over the employee. So they will be working on the average profit per employee. So they will need to know that how much you have spent or how much you have earned over a year. So this is the reason they have to see the average profit per employee also. Then value added per employee. This is the key thing, like they need to know that what value you added. This is you added like to the organization, to the services of the organization, what other things you have done in the organization. So basically they will monitor it for employee productivity. Then further they will also see the employee cost. So basically employee cost is also a very important factor for the financing over the year. They will see that what is the employment cost as percent of sales turnover or profit. Like if they are giving you 50,000 a month, then they will see that how much you earned or how much you have get the profit or sales turnover over a 1 year period. Like if they are giving you 50,000 a month and you are on average of 70,000 a month giving them a sales turnover or profit, then it means they are like in 20,000 gain. So you are going to be a very good employee to them. Similarly, employment cost per the employees, then they will see that what are the average employment cost over all the employees of the organization, because they have to manage the expenses over the year. They have to see that what the employees are spending on, like paper cost, electricity cost, and every other thing cost. So they will monitor the employment cost, which will also include the operating cost. Operating cost will also include the business cost per employee, the food cost, and everything comes in this thing. So basically if you see that key performance indicator of the employee is include the employee cost also. Then employee turnover and loyalty, this is a very important component. Like in most of the organization, if the employees are leaving or the employees are fired, then this is a trouble, because more the employees leave the organization at a given time period, then it will make up a bad image in the in the market. Like employees are leaving all the time this organization, no one is sticking over there, and for average time period, like if every 6 months an employee is leaving or every 3 months, then it means that the turnover is very fast. But if the employees are leaving like after 3 years, or the employees are after leaving 5 years, then the employee turnover is low. So average length of service, they will see that how many employees are for their years and what is the turnover and loyalty of the employees, so that they can decide the benefits. Like if the employees are staying for a long time, then they can go for pension, they can go for other things that are basic requirements for the employees, and they will like give benefits to you. So these depends on the organization culture, like how long you will stay over there. So these are the very basics, the key performance indicators. Moving forward further, we will discuss about the recruitment performance indicators in our next video. So stay updated, and I will connect to you very soon. Thank you.